Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, harnessing the power of ChatGPT prompts can elevate your strategy to new heights. Today, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT prompts and how they can revolutionize your content strategy. Stick around to learn 5 powerful prompts to draw in your ideal audience like never before. The internet is brimming with content, an abundance of options for your potential clients or customers. With so much to choose from, the only way to make them stick with yours is by hitting the right chord. Your content must resonate with them on a personal level, or deliver insights that they truly care about. This is the only way to keep them coming back for more every single time. To make sure your content connects with your target audience, it's important to know how to create an impact. With ChatGPT as your partner for content creation, and by using the right prompts, this process can be made easy. Identify pain points. To effectively attract your ideal customers, it is necessary to first gain a deep understanding of their pain points. One way to do this is by using ChatGPT to brainstorm questions that are related to your target customers' challenges, such as, what are the problems that they are currently facing? Or what issues keep them up at night? By identifying and addressing these pain points in your content, you'll be able to instantly connect with your audience and position yourself as the ultimate solution to their problems. This will help establish trust and credibility with your customers and create a strong bond that will keep them coming back to you for more. Offer solutions. After identifying the pain points of your target audience, it is essential to provide them with effective solutions to their problems. One of the ways to do that is by asking ChatGPT to generate ideas for solving common issues or improving their daily lives. This step is crucial in establishing your authority and building trust with your audience. You can achieve this by offering valuable solutions through tutorials, how-to guides, or product recommendations, which can help your audience overcome their challenges and improve their lives. By doing so, you are more likely to connect with your audience and create lasting relationships with them. Spark engagement. In today's digital age, having a solid online presence is essential for any business or individual looking to build a following. One key aspect of building a loyal following is engagement. Using ChatGPT, you can quickly develop engaging questions or prompts that encourage interaction from your audience. Engagement can take many forms, from asking for opinions on a particular topic, inviting viewers to share their experience, or sparking a debate. The key is creating content that encourages your audience to participate and become invested in your brand or message. Creating engaging content not only helps build a loyal following, but also helps keep your viewers coming back for more. By consistently providing content that is both informative and entertaining, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry and build a strong community around your brand. Tailor content to preferences. To establish a strong connection with your potential customers, it's essential to personalize your marketing strategy by catering to their interests and preferences. One way to achieve this is by leveraging the power of ChatGPT, an AI-powered assistant that can generate tailored content ideas based on your audience's demographics, browsing behavior, and other relevant factors. By utilizing customized recommendations, targeted messaging, and niche-specific content, you can create a highly personalized experience for your customers that makes them feel valued and understood. This approach can be highly effective in building trust, driving engagement, and ultimately boosting conversions. Call to action. When it comes to creating content, crafting a compelling call to action (CTA) is an essential element that should not be overlooked. The call to action is the prompt that encourages your audience to take the next step after consuming your content. It could be any action that you want your audience to take, such as subscribing to your channel, downloading your lead magnet, or making a purchase. A well-crafted call to action (CTA) can be a powerful tool for turning your viewers into loyal customers and advocates for your brand. To create an effective call to action, you should focus on making it clear and persuasive. Make sure that your audience understands what they will get from taking the desired action and how it will benefit them. Using ChatGPT, you can easily create a persuasive call to action that resonates with your audience. It will help you choose the right words and language to make it more compelling. And there you have it, 5 ChatGPT prompts to attract your dream customers with your content. By using these prompts, you can create content that resonates with your target audience and encourages engagement. It is important to create content that encourages interaction and engagement. This can be achieved by asking questions, conducting polls, or offering incentives for participation. By doing so, you'll create a sense of community around your brand and build meaningful relationships with your audience. So go ahead and give these prompts a try and watch your content attract your dream customers. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.